Welcome to another episode of What the My name's Nick. I'm the Chief Executive at VisitorQ, and in this series, we teach you super practical tips and tricks to help your company grow. In this episode, we'll be discussing how you can use an affiliate program to increase the amount of leads and revenue that your company generates. This is a tactic that VisitorQ has used from the very beginning and has led to us generating some of our largest customers. So let's get started. You're going to want to start by figuring out how much affiliates will earn by referring clients to you. This could range anywhere from 5 to 50%. This entirely depends on the price of your product. As an example, at VisitorQ, we use a 25% commission, and we have found that this is enough to incentivize affiliates with our customers paying us on average $100 per month. The next thing you need to do is consider if the commission will be perpetual or not. Again, this should depend on the price of your product. For lower price products, affiliates would be expecting recurring commissions, and for higher price products, they likely won't be. At VisitorQ, we use the recurring model to keep affiliates happy and to continue referring clients to us. Okay, with these main considerations out of the way, you'll want to select an affiliate software to use to make tracking and paying commissions to your affiliates easy. This software will take care of all the sign up, generation of referral links, affiliate management, commissions, and more. So ensure you choose wisely. There are a handful of great affiliate software out there, so have your pick. At VisitorQ, we use and are happy with a software called Tapfilliate. Once your affiliate software is set up, you can start promoting your program. Well, kinda. You'll need to put together marketing and sales resources to help your affiliates. Come up with banner ads, brochures, pricing sheets, videos, and more to assist them with selling your products. Okay, now we can start promoting your program. Ensure you create a page on your website that talks about your affiliate program in depth and invites prospective affiliates to sign up. Here is a great example of our affiliate page that talks about all the benefits of becoming a VisitorQ affiliate. You'll also want to share your affiliate program with your current customers. I recommend creating an onboarding sequence that invites new customers to the program 60 or so days after they become a client. You never know who will share your product with their friends, family, or peers. Bonus tip: ensure that you wait 30 days or so to pay your affiliates in case any of their commissions came from payments that ended up being refunded. Bonus tip number 2: ensure that you use terms and conditions to state that they can't use search engine marketing to promote your affiliate program to ensure you're not competing against your affiliates on AdWords, Bing, or other search engine marketing platforms. That's all for this episode. Ensure that you like the episode and hit subscribe to be alerted of the next episode next month.